Well, good morning. It's May 5th, 2015. And it's Tuesday. And check it out. There's not a single ant to be seen. They were going crazy on this last night. This ant trap, this ant poison works good. I don't see any ants anywhere. So I'm just going to keep leaving it out, just in case there's a couple of stragglers. But I think what they do is it brings the poison back to the nest, and then they all get wiped out. And I think I got two nests. I saw two distinct types of ants in there, so that'd be cool. I can't stand having the ants in the kitchen. Well, it looks like I'm stuck doing the dishes again here. I gotta rewash those pans. I don't know who the heck greased them up. Probably Robert. I don't know who's. This is all stuff from the living room. It's building up again. I can't let this build up. Wow, it's a beautiful summer day. Go, dog. I'm gonna try to work on those brakes. Get those brakes going. I gotta get these wheels dealt with. And I gotta get down to Virginia and Florida. I think I'll start with Florida. Just knock that completely out. Hit Virginia on the way back. Okay, I'm gonna try to start this up and back it up a bit. Not much, about 10 feet back. Apparently the electric company is not coming right now. Oh, how cool is that? Started right up. Very good. No brakes. You gotta remember that. Yeah, at least there's an emergency brake thing to keep going and going. Alright, I think what I'm going to do today is just put this tire on. Oh man, why is it all skanked up? Like somebody been hammering on it with an axe. That part doesn't matter, I guess. This part matters. You have to sand that down a little bit. Okay, I got some, I moved the truck. I got some sandpaper. Hopefully, I don't know what to do about this stupid. Why is that all chinked up like that is beyond me. It's actually pretty weird. Maybe a rock got caught in it when they were running it. But this steel looks in pretty good shape, so I'm going to just try to clean this up enough so that I can run the race against this, because it's not going to be as tight as I would have liked. This should be alright. That should be good. Feels nice and smooth. There's a little rough spot down there. I'm going to have to do it a little more. Okay, everything's feeling nice and smooth. I'm going to grease the heck out of this stuff when I put it on. Why is there electric tape here? Oh, it's holding a wire. Jeez. Okay. This will be an ongoing thing, I guess. Alright, now I'm going to go prep the tire and the wheel. Well, the bad news is the new seal won't fit. I had to put on the old seal. Can't match anything up for this. Still needs parts. I don't know if this is big enough wrench for this. Of course not. Of course not. What's that? 33 millimeters. Jesus. I don't know if I got a big enough wrench. I'll get a pipe wrench or something. A garage sale pipe wrench. Had some good stuff at garage sales. Alright, I just gotta get a pair of pliers. It's no play. It runs smooth. I snugged it up and backed it up a little. I kept shaking it. Should be fine now. Wish I could have put all my new stuff on there. I don't know why it doesn't fit. I don't have the equipment to make it fit. What I'll do eventually is replace these rims completely. But I just bought these tires, so it's not going to happen for a while. I'm going to burn up these tires before I do that. These are weird sized tires. Alright, as far as these dishes, my mom stopped me and she started washing them. I'm gonna have to check them out, I guess. She's a hard time standing here. Well, that ends today. At least I got a little done on the van, on the trailer. Got the tire on there. One of the four. 3 more to go. I had to use some of the old parts again, which I didn't really want to do. You can't even see the van, can you, on this camera? Anyway, tomorrow I'll probably pull one of the other tires off and start that whole process again. And hopefully it won't rain. And I got the cap for it. Hopefully it doesn't rain tonight because I didn't put it on. I just painted it. And if luck has it and I get enough time, I'm going to start working on those brakes. I really got to get those brakes going. They still have to pull the drive shaft out and put new universals in there too. And then it should be all just about ready to go, I hope.